message ako sa'yo pag mag-uumpisa na ako. Para hindi ako maano.
Iisip ko yan eh. Ayaan ko kaya si Edson?
Pagka mag-aano na.
Eh kaso isip ko parang ang delikado magbiyahe siya mag-isa malayo.
Exam na. Hindi ako ito. Kasi syempre isipin ko ba't ka nag-message yan. Pagka mo may hangin. Ito.
Tayo sa ano? Sabi sa akin.
Provincial witch.
Oo.
Oh, ganda! My gosh! Look at that bridge in the front.
Wow! That looks cool. Let's go there.
Experience the heart of Miramichi, the city's only locally owned
It's
and
going
operated
up.
radio station. Life Radio.
Look at the window. Look at the side. It's a river.
0.7
It's so high. There are boats. Oh my gosh. It's so high.
It's high like an airplane.
Look at this bridge. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it looks like a Paris bridge.
Wow. It's a hanging bridge.
It's cool. Looks like
Cool, right?
Yeah, it looks like Paris bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a
Look at the city.
Yeah, there's another city there.
Nice.
Where?
Hindi ko malang pwede i-ID.
Why they mo? Saan ka nakatan? Like it? That's why it's nice to travel. There, Walmart.
Walmart? Where? I see the front. At the car. Look, the car. I see it too.
Going to Bathurst. Ayun lang yung truck. Kanina pa natin sinusundan. Ang ganito. Alam, timber. Tapos ano.
Parang hindi totoo.
Tapos sobrang blue ng sky. Parang
Kaya
sobrang
nga eh.
perfect yung ano nyo.
Scenery.
Oh my gosh.
Why? It's nice, right? I wanna see the countryside.
Atención. Cruise control. Pakita mo sa mami mo. Umahanda ka mag-isa yung
Liberty's best. Sheree capping up after black. We've got Ellen Langley here to keep her days well.
Steady lang siya.
Gago.
Automatic kaya siya. Sobrang automatic. Driving! I don't wanna drive anymore. You wanna drive?
Is Daddy not driving?
The car he's saying something, right? He's speaking and then he's driving by himself. Nothing. I'm not doing anything. It drives by itself now. It's a nice car, right? Very nice.
I don't want to drive myself.
It drives by itself.
What if it just turns?
What? No, it won't. It has brain. It's still by itself. Oh, look at the steering wheel. It moves by itself. Oh. Kaya sabi ni Brandy, no? Electric?
Uy, Edson, tama na yung cruise mode mo.
Oh, shit.
Ha?
Salubong pa ako dyan.
Alam mo na pong manghuli sa'yo?
Ano naman? Buti na nga na nakadaan na ako ngayon. Diba? Tapos alam ko na. Oh, look at that! It's the sea already! It's the sea!
It looks like the beach. I want to get there. Is that the beach?
Yeah.
Is there a beach here?
I hope so.